Hello viewers, welcome to home space exercise video. I hope you enjoyed my video. My name is Itua Moses. This video is very important to me because I know where I've been to and where I've come from. You know, most of the time I'm always busy. There's no time for exercise. But this home space exercise video is very important for everyone, just even likewise me too. Because I spend most of my time exercising at home before leaving home to my daily job. We are all busy people. But this home space exercise video, part 1, will be a very good video for every individual and people watching as well. You know, because most of the space in the room, in the bedroom, in the living room, in the kitchen is so small. But how to utilize it for your own benefit, this is the video you need to watch so that you can know how to use it for your own benefit. So I will start with my own part 1 in my corridor way. The exercise I do on my corridor, the home space exercise video. Let's watch the part 1. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comment, let me know. And let me know whatever tips you need to give me. Thanks for watching my video part 1. And thanks for everything. And God bless. Stay.